Welcome to Flinda Tech Lab. This is a free course by the YouTube algorithm. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel in helping to create more of these kind of tutorials. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the training. Let's dive into the tutorial. Once again, welcome to Flinda Tech Lab. Today our topic is word processing, that is Microsoft word processing. When we are talking about word processing, it's one of the applications used for typing, editing, writing of reports, memos, etc. So anytime that as a user you want to use any application, you have to know what document or file that you can use that application to create. So introduction to word processing. We say word processing software is used for typing, formatting, edit, save and print a document. When you are talking about document, a document is any text or graphic material. The following are examples. We have forms, letters, contracts, books, reports and memos, etc. So these are some of the files or some of the documents that you can use word processing to create. Now within the course of your designing or using word processing, you'll be meeting some kind of terms like font. And when you're talking about the font refer to the different size and style that can be selected to enhance the appearance of a document. That is what font does. Now we also have what we call edit. Edit is the act of making sure that the text is mistake free. You are supposed not to allow any mistakes or errors to be within your document. So doing that, we call it editing. You edit your file or you edit the document that you've created. Now we also have formatting. Formatting is the art of making the text appearing. So you have to make the text attractive. That is what we call formatting. You are trying to adjust the positions, the text, how it's supposed to look like. That is what we call the formatting. Then we also have text. When I talk about text, it's any digits or alphabets. So when you type numbers, they are text. When you type alphabet on the keyboard, they are all text. So take note of that. Then we also have graphic. Well, the graphic are pictures or videos. Any picture you see or any tutorial or videos, they are all what graphics. Now before Microsoft we have what we called typewriter. Typewriter was what the people were using before word processing. So here we are going to look at the differences between them, the advantage of word processing over a typewriter. Now when we are talking about the advantages, you see what you type on the monitor. That's when you are using word processing. Then instead of on the paper, when using a typewriter, they insert the paper into, as soon as you press the key it appears on the paper direct. So that is one of the differences. Then we also have the work can be saved or stored on a diskette or hard drive. So that's one of the advantages. Another advantage also, but typewriter, as soon as you type, it appears on the paper direct. When there's an error, it also appears on the direct. Then the zeros what the work can be printed later on the paper using a printer. That is one of the advantage of Word. Then changes and corrections can be made at any time. So when there are errors, you can type and after that later you do those corrections within them. But typewriter, as soon as you hit any error on the keyboard, straight it appears on the paper and you can't do that correction. Then the word on the margin of that can be also altered afterward, like changing the margin size. You can do all those things after you finish typing, saving your work. You can come and do all those things. That is one of the advantages. But whatever you set on the typewriter, as soon as you start typing, that is what you're going to get exactly on the paper. A word processing decided for you and automatically move the cursor to the next line. Same thing in not like the way a word wrap is. When you are typing, you will see when your mouse pointer or the cursor gets to the end of the paper where you are typing, you will see it will drop to the next line at the down for you. That is one of the advantage of what a word processing program. Then spelling check or spelling checker program is used to locate wrongly spelled words and change them with correct ones. So one of the advantages is that when there are mistakes, you can correct them. Not like the typewriter, as soon as you hit, the error will appear on the paper. If you want to correct it, then you have to reheat it on the same word or letter that you did that error on. Then we also have what you see is what you get, or garbage in, garbage out. Whatever that you see on your screen, that is what you've entered or you input. So we take note of that. That's what we say garbage in, garbage out. When you type in wrong thing, it's the wrong thing that you're going to get out. So we take note of that. That is why you see WYSIWYG or GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Now, some of the features that you will see on Microsoft Word interface. This one is 2003 interfaces. The new interface like from 2007 applications. The Office application, you will see it uses like a ribbon. So here you will see the title bar which says Microsoft Word Document 1. Also, you will see the menu bar with the following items: home, edit, view, insert, format, tool, table, windows, help. These are all on the Office 2003. So for the new application like 2007 and above, you will see the ribbon, even though the home, file and those things are there, but when you click on it, it deploys them in the form of what? Ribbons for you. You will see the horizontal and the vertical row. These are some of the features you will see when you open a word processing application. Then the format toolbar is near the screen top. Each symbol on the toolbar is called a tool. So you take note that some of those symbol shapes that are on it, they are all tools. Shortcut tools that when you click on, it will take an action on the word or the text that you select. Now to see the name of a tool, put the mouse arrow at the tool without clicking, then wait a second. The tool name, that is the tool's name, will appear. Some of the features again we have above the formatting toolbar is the standard toolbar. The horizontal and the vertical scroll are also available. The scroll up and the scroll down, scroll right and the scroll left arrow are used to show the part of the work that are hidden. So we'll be diving through all this practical aspect to see how these things work and some of the things that you'll be seeing. At the right up corner of the title bar, you will see the minimize button, maximize or restore button, and the close. The workspace is where you create your document. The cursor or the insertion point indicate where to start typing from. Now let's dive into the practical. So you create a document. We all know that anything that you type, any sentence that you type on this thing is a document that you create. So we are going to do that practical work. So let's enter into the practical now. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.